Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, guys. If you want more clarity in your situation, Leos, you can watch the pick a card love reading I have right after this general energy, guys. So you can stay tuned for that. So let's see what are these cards. We have 3 of Pentacles in reverse. Sorry guys. 8 of Wands and 5 of Cups in reverse. So in your situation, guys, Leos, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, today you are, maybe for some of you it may be the way things are with you, or maybe someone in your work, maybe you have something distracting you and you feel that you cannot concentrate enough, and that is affecting the way things are. Maybe your work potential is getting affected by that. Maybe for some of you there is someone sick who is really close to you and it is simply making you worry, or it may be your energy, you are sick, or you have people worried about you, that in turn is stressing you a lot and it is affecting your work potential, or it is affecting the way things are in your relationship, guys, Leos. But you need not worry, Leos. There is a huge change coming in your situation. Things are gaining momentum and you are being rushed towards some positive outcome. There is something unfolding in your life and you are moving towards that. Maybe today you may feel stressed or weak or worried about certain things, but this is not going to last long. Your situation is going to change and you are going to see things changing very swiftly, guys. So there is a positive news coming your way and a bright future unfolding for you, or something positive unfolding for you, something what to say, it may be an important offer or an opportunity in your work, or it may be something beautiful unfolding in your relationship that gives you hope and faith in your future. And also, guys, Leos, for some of you, if you are in separation, maybe you are seeing your past person coming back and they are confessing their mistakes and they are here to reconcile with you, guys. And this person loves you and they want to be back with you and they are really sorry, guys. And maybe if you are still interested in them, so for those people, I see that this relationship may work out, guys. Maybe if you are still interested in your past person, or maybe for some of you, if you have moved on, this person is here to make amends and say sorry. So you may get over the hurt you have felt maybe in that separation, or maybe you are holding on to some regrets or resentments. All that you are going to get over and you are going to move on positively from that relationship, guys, Leos. So that is what I see with these cards, Leos. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, Leos. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can either close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds about your situation, then choose the cards or the crystals and watch that reading, so that way the reading may resonate, guys. So you can think about your situation, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with this card and this crystal. Let's see what is the card for you all. So for those who chose this card, the card says water and salt, truth. So in your situation today, guys, maybe in this relationship or maybe in some circumstance, you are someone who is really truthful, honest, and who speaks the truth, maybe plain truth, and people around you, maybe someone really close to you, they may not like you speaking the plain truth. They may not understand that it is your honest words. It may be what you truly feel, but you may be punished, or you may be scolded, or they may come to fight with you because of speaking this honesty, and you are not willing to tone down this truth or flatter them in any ways. So you are someone who speaks your mind, someone who tells what you truly feel, and this may not go well with this person or someone in your life, and this is not the time to to speak just to please this person. This may be the time for speaking what is that in your heart, giving that clarity, and maybe there is no reason for you to speak otherwise. This is the time you are speaking the truth, plain truth, maybe in some situation, and this person may not like it because it makes them feel really uncomfortable, and they may come to argue with you or fight with you, or they may even try to break this relationship. But this truth is all that you need for to be in this connection, and you can never give it up. That is your situation, guys. But whatever troubles you're facing today, guys, maybe by speaking what is there in your mind or some truth to this person, whatever you're facing, someday this person will understand that your words are based on honesty, and that all that happened is their mistake, and they will realize what has gone wrong, and it is all their mistake, guys. So your honesty, your plain honesty will be appreciated someday, but that day may not be today. You may be facing a lot of troubles because of this truth, but you can be sure that someday they will understand what you truly felt today, guys, and the reason for you to speaking such words. So that is the energy with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose the second crystal and this card, the second card, we have lithium quartz, and it is a crystal spirits card, guys. So this crystal, it just stands for that calmness, composure, peacefulness in our situation, and connectedness with that other person. So how to achieve this peacefulness in a relationship? Peace comes in a relationship when we are willing to trust that there is more than one right way of doing anything. Maybe we are suggesting some things and we believe in our way. Maybe whatever this person is also suggesting may be a different path, but that may also be the right path towards that destination. So you need to understand that, and you need to collaborate with your strengths, and maybe in the areas we are weak, we can take support, and the areas we are strong, we can help the other person. So in a relationship, we are meant to heal and grow together, balancing each other in this relationship. And that is the reason opposites always attract. So we are opposites of each other. So the people in a relationship, guys, and we must appreciate each other's talents and skills and support each other. So that way we are working towards a peaceful connection. And this crystal promotes that, or this crystal energy is that going for that peaceful interconnection. So you need to understand and try to collaborate instead of fighting or arguing. Sometimes we must listen to that person, their ideas. So even their ideas may work out positively, just how we believe our ideas will work out in a positive way, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. So this was your first card, guys. Bye, guys.